Create dimension in 3D model. 3D model dimensioning UCS is very important. You can use this face option and you can place it where you need. You can place it your UCS and you can make dimensioning. That is one method. Or you can place your UCS which side you require. You can select the side, left side, right side. You can select any one and just click this one origin and you can place it wherever you want. That is another method. Now I just select here top. Now you can see your UCS is changed to top X and Y, and I click this origin and I place it here. Now you can see your X and Y, it is in top, Z direction it is in vertical. Now I go to the annotate and I click here, select this align, and I click this point and I click this point. Now you can make dimension like this. Like that, all the top plane dimension we will make now. Now I go to home again and I click this origin. Now we need to make dimension this top. So I just go to the annotate and go to the align, click this point and click this point. You can place it this dimension. Now we can make these dimensions. You can double enter and you can select this line. You can place it like this, or you can click this 2 point. You can place it like this. Just go near to this point and shift right click. You will get it end point. If you go to the end point, you can make end point, or select this one. Just click here, go near to this grip. You will get it continue option. That is very better option, and you can make like this and cancel. Now it is ready. Now this top dimension we finished. We need to make this top dimension, or we can make this dimension also. Better we can make top dimension, that is very better. So just go to home, click this 3 point. You can place it here. So your X and Y, it is like this. Now we need to make this dimension, it is 10 mm. So just go to the annotate and align, click this midpoint, exactly this midpoint and this midpoint. Okay, now you can place it this 10. Select this 10 and just go near to these grips. You will get it the option like this. Select this continue dimension and click this midpoint, click this midpoint and click this midpoint, click this point. Now it is ready. So this dimension also finished, and we need to make this 10 dimension. Just go to the align and click this point and click this point and you can place it like this. So all the top dimensions we placed. Now we need to make this right side dimension. So just go here and here I just switch on this navigation is ready. Now go to select here right. Right, you can see X and Y, it is like this. Now I just click this one and I place it like this. Now you can make dimension these dimensions. So I just go to the linear, sorry, outline, and I click this point and I click this point. You can place it wherever you want. Similar way, you can make these dimensions also. And here it is the straight portion. This is the end point and this is the end point. You can place it here like this, and this is the first end point, second end point, and you can place it like this. And if you need to make dimension here, just go to the origin and I place it like this and go to align, click this point and click this point. You can place it like this somewhere else. So now it is ready. This dimension, everything is ready. Now we need to make only one more dimension, this one and the radius. Just go to the align, enter, and I click this line. For that, just move this one here. that is better. And go to annotate and go to the align, enter, select this line, and you can place it like this. So very important, when you make 3D dimension, the UCS movement is very important. Just go to the, now we need to make this radius in top plane. So just change the top plane, and here it is in right plane, so we need to change that one to top plane. So I just go to the top. Now you can see X and Y, it is in top. Now if you made top, select this one and place it somewhere else here, that is better. So now go to annotate, and I just select here, go to radius, select this radius, and you can place it like this. Similar way, just you can make like this, and go to radius, and I click here, you can place it like this. So now we finished our 3D model and 3D dimensioning.